Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to repair power button problem like this. First of all, let me show you my problem. So this is a Lenovo laptop and here was the power button. This power button press this switch. The problem is that this switch it's not perfectly centered in the middle, in the center of the button, and this button press with this part, the switch. This button had on the outside small pieces of plastic that keep this fixed in one position, so this part press exactly on the switch. But when those outside pieces were broken, then this button didn't press the power switch because this is empty. And now let me show you how I will repair this. First of all, I will fill this void with hot glue. After that, I will glue a piece of plastic like this to fix button in exact this position as original, so will not move. And after that I will put this PCB back. So let's begin. Let's hope this is perfectly centered. Now I have to draw the shape to cut this cover. So I've cut this piece of plastic to the shape to stay inside this space. Now I've cut this piece of plastic to the shape of that hole. Now let's put on final position. Now let's look on the other side. That's perfect. Now let's put everything back. First of all, let's put this PCB. Now let's test. When I press the button, I hear the click. Before, I didn't hear the click on the switch because it was rotated. Now that's perfect. Now let's put the hinge back, the screws of the hinge. Now let's use this Lenovo charger to make the final test. Now let's press the power button. And the laptop works perfect now. Let's turn off. Now let's turn on again. That's perfect. I have to say it's a very simple job, but and anyone can do it, but needs some basic tools. And now I am sure that this repair will last for a lifetime. I hope that I've inspired you to save your laptop if this laptop has this problem. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.